Hello people and welcome back to NewYorkDashCam channel. A channel that features some of the most exciting and epic moments from the crazy roads Coron drivers dashcam. All the clips featured in this episode are for educational purposes and hopefully they can be of some use to you. Without any further ado, make yourselves comfortable, grab your snacks and press play. Brake lights play a huge role in traffic, and without functional brake lights you might easily find yourself in a bad position of being rear-ended. Sometimes the police officers do break the rules. It's not justified, but it happens. In this situation here, we have a justified karma moment. Pay close attention at a driver who is about to pass in a turning lane. Let's just say that he is about to regret his move.
The problem is, you got the white car and that actor, neither of them know which one they're pulling over. They're going to take the white one since they offered.
No, the white car is the one that flew by and passed them.
No, that's not even. That's the saw. That's that saw.
Go. Go.
Driver in a pickup truck created his own lane. He wanted to get as quickly as possible to the other side, and there was no stopping this guy.
I was so excited, dancing around. I got a job.
In those days, there were no computers. If a customer wanted a hamburger, fry, and a Coke, you manually had to add it up.
Exactly. I had done.
Cameron caught some crazy and self-entitled drivers on his dashcam. There are a lot of them out there, and if you're not careful enough, you might easily become a casualty on the road. You'll see some of the usual mistakes of drivers running red lights, not stopping at the stop signs, cutting others off, and many more. Take notes, people, and avoid making the same mistakes.
Why's that lopsided? Wait, hold on. Did somebody run a red light? Did he run the red light? He must have run the red light. I don't know. You didn't stop before you turned. Okay. You just ran the red. Thank you. Yeah! Stay on that side, are you? I highly doubt that you stopped. Highly doubt that you stopped. Yeah, you probably didn't stop either. Thank you. Jesus. You have a stop sign, you head! Exit dive. Let's go. Wait, there was no left. What are you doing, dude? Gee, what, dude? Stay in your lane, stay in your lane, stay in your lane. Hi, someone's coming. Slow down. I'm gonna stop. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You just look at me and go, no problem. Ugh, God damn it, people. Just zoom out in front of me, honey. Not a problem. Turd. A little faster, and somebody's coming, and hi, good move, Grandpa. Yeah, just. And that was a red light run.
In this situation here, the camera caught a biker on his dashcam, and he was pulled over for doing a wheelie. With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning a thing or two from all the mistakes you saw. If you like this one, don't hesitate to leave a like, because it would mean a lot. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.